In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage your projects in Canva. To get started, open Canva and look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Projects. This is the main area where Canva stores all of your creative work, so it's a really useful place to become familiar with if you want to stay organized and save time. Once you're inside the Projects section, you'll see that Canva brings together everything in one central location. This includes your designs, folders, uploads, and any shared projects you have access to. Instead of jumping between different sections to find what you need, you can use this space as your main hub for managing your work. That makes it especially helpful if you've created a lot of content and want a faster way to keep track of it. At the top of this area, you'll find the search bar. This is one of the easiest ways to locate a specific design or folder, especially if you already know part of the name. Just click into the search bar and type in a keyword related to the project you're looking for. Canva will then narrow down the results, helping you find your content much more quickly than scrolling through everything manually. If you prefer to look through your projects visually, you can also browse through the available items in this section. Take a moment to scan your designs and folders and notice how everything is grouped in one place for convenience. If your workspace is starting to feel cluttered, this is also a good opportunity to organize your content into folders. Creating a clear folder structure can make a big difference, especially when you're working on multiple types of designs or returning to older projects later on. When you find the project you want, simply click on it to open it. Canva will take you right back into that design, so you can continue editing from where you left off. This is perfect for unfinished work, updates, or making quick changes without having to start over. That's all there is to it. By using the Projects section, the search bar and folders together, you can keep your Canva workspace much more organized and make your editing process a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.